over 9. This is it as a fraction. I want to turn it into a decimal. So 0 point something. I want to know what the something is. You're going to push the 5 key on the calculator, then your division symbol, and then the 9. And when you click enter, you get 0.555 repeating, right? So the calculator has given you your decimal, and it's exactly what you wanted, right? But it's a little crazy, isn't it? When it repeats 55555 forever, Ms. Morton doesn't want you to have to write 5 a million times. She just wants to write it once. And then what we do to say that it's repeating, draw a line over it. Yes, you got it. Now tell me, let's say I picked a different number, a different fraction. I don't know, some number and then another number. But then the outcome, my decimal, in the calculator, it says 0.666666, and then there's a 7 at the end. What am I going to write here as my answer? What's that? 0.7?
Oh,
0.67. So what's repeating? The 6. So then I put a bar over just the 6. Okay. And that's not a bad way to think about it. But there's one thing I want to let you know. You will not actually have to put this 7 here at all. Your outcome is just 6 repeating. Now you're probably thinking, why? There's a 7 there. And there is. But what I want you to know is that the 7 isn't actually a 7. This 7 is actually a 6 that got rounded because the calculator can only tell you so many numbers. There is really more 6's after there, but the calculator screen stops here. So it rounds your answer for you. Does that make sense? Okay. I got one left. 0.15151515, and it repeated like that. How would you write it with the bar? What am I going to put under the bar? Both 1 and the 5. Sound good? Okay. So that's taking a fraction, getting a decimal. Type it in the calculator, it gives you your decimal. You just have to write it with the bar. And she might give you a nice one where the answer is just 0.43. Then you just leave it as 0.43. Sound good? Okay. I want to make a fraction. Just throwing stuff at you, right? Tons of stuff. If I have a decimal like 0.45, I want to write this as a fraction. So something over something. The question is, what do you put on top and bottom? Do you got an idea in your head already or not? It's okay. Can you tell me what decimal place the 4 lives in? Is it... Yeah, we give this location a name, and this location has a different name. It's not the 1's place.
Oh, that's the 10.
This is the 10's place. What do we give this place? Nope, this one's not the 1's. You're gonna keep going actually. Past 10's. What's after 10's? Oh, you skipped it. Between 10's and thousands.
Oh, 10. 100.
Hundreds, yes, this one's hundreds. So I have 4 10's and 5 in a hundreds place. This is out of the 100 pieces. That's the biggest place that I have. So this would be 45 out of 100 pieces. How's that sitting with you? Okay. I'm gonna 6. What place does the 6 live?